Hey guys, iPhone WizKid here. Gonna give you a little demonstration on how to take apart a LG Xenon. As you guys can see, LG Xenon. We're gonna go ahead and power this bad boy off. Alright, since that's powering off, go ahead and snap your battery cover off. Remove your battery. I am gonna go ahead and remove my SD card and the SIM card. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have 6 screws located right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and remove all 6 screws. All the screws involved in this video are Phillips. So just use a Phillips. I prefer magnetic tip so it pulls the screws out with it. You don't have to, your choice. Once all 6 screws are removed, take a case opener tool, just slide it across the bottom, pop it open, slide it across the top. You don't even need to slide it, just pop it off. Once you're here, you're going to have 2 screws to take out the motherboard, one right here and one right here. So go ahead, take out those 2 screws. We got 1 and 2. Now you just go ahead and pop out all your little buttons right here. You know, your little camera button, your little lock button, your volume button. Go ahead and pull those out. They'll just get in the way later. Just go ahead and pull this out. Be careful, there is a flex cable underneath. It does involve a little bit of maneuvering. So once it's off, you're gonna have a flex cable right there. So big silver thing. Go ahead and take case opener tool or your fingernail, pop it off, put the motherboard aside. Now, next step is you're gonna have 8 screws right here. See, 8 screws total. Go ahead and remove those. This is for the sliding mechanism. Sometimes these screws can be a pain in the butt to remove. Okay, go ahead and pop it off. Okay, one thing you need to realize is there's a spring for the sliding mechanism. It's right here. You just pop it out, push the flex cable through, and your keyboard and everything will come off. This is your little spring deal. Go ahead and take that off. Now you're going to have 6 screws to remove the touchscreen digitizer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On your guys' phone, 3 of your screws, which will be right here. These will all have covers on them. You'll need to pop those off. I already took mine off. So go ahead and remove those 6 screws. once the 6 screws are removed, see, they don't always come out. I just leave them in. Screw it. Just take a case opener tool, slide it across the top, and it'll pop off. Slide it across the bottom, and it'll pop off. If I get my case opener tool slide, it'll pop off. Go ahead and pull it off. Push the flex cable through. So there's your sliding, your whole slider deal. Next, you need to remove the tape. Right here. This is actually what holds pretty much everything in. Just go ahead and remove the tape. Okay. You're going to have a cable you need to disconnect. It's right here. Yours won't have a sticker on it. This is a new digitizer on here. So just go ahead and pop that flex cable off. Go ahead and you can do this with your fingers. Just remove that. Down here you're going to have 4 clips. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips you need to gently pop this bad boy out. Just a little. This is what's attached to your LCD. And go ahead, pull the whole assembly out, and there you go. LG's in the take apart.